Hi friends, today we are discussing about coordinate geometry, chapter 7, exercise 1, 7 problem. Okay, so that the points -4, -7, -1, -2, -1, 2, +2, 8, 5 and 5, -4 taken in order are the vertices of a rhombus and find its area. Okay, before going to the problem, what is the difference between, just we know about what is the difference between square and rhombus. If a square, if you take a square, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD, and also the diagonals of AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. Coming to the rhombus case, here AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. But here the diagonal one is not equal to diagonal 2. That is the only difference. Okay, let's go to the question. Here he is given 4 points. The points are taken in order, means taken in order. Let us assume A is -4, -7. B is -1, 2. C is 8, 5. D is 5, -4. Okay, find the distance between sides. Okay, first find the distance between AB. AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so what are the coordinates here? A coordinates are x1, y1. B coordinates are x2, y2. Equal to x2 minus x1 -1 minus of -4 whole square plus y2 is 2 minus y1 is -7 whole square equal to -1 plus 4 whole square plus 2 plus 7 whole square. 2 plus 7 whole square is equal to -1 plus 4 is 3 square. 3 square is 9 plus 2 plus 7 whole square is 9 square, 81 is equal to square root of 90. Square root of 90 is square root of 9 into 10. Therefore, the value is 3 root 10. Coming to the BC case. -1 to C values are 8, 5. So, BC is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, here x1, y1, x2, y2 coordinates. Okay, right? So is equal to x2 minus x1 means 8, 8 minus -1 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square is equal to 9 square plus 3 square. Square root of 9 square is 9 9s are 81 plus 3 3s are 9. Square root of 90. Square root of 90 is as usual square root of 9 into 10. It can be written as 3 root 10 units. After that, CD. C, 3 points. Okay. 3 points are 8, 5, 5 minus 4. 8, 5, 5 minus 4. What about 5 minus 4? D points are 5 minus 4. Here, minus 4 minus 7. Okay, let's go to the problem. The distance between CD is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to 1 y1 y2. x2 minus x1 whole square is 5 minus 8 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square minus 4 minus 5 whole square. Okay, minus 4 minus 5 whole square. Okay, square root of 5 minus 8 means minus 3 whole square plus minus 4 minus 5 minus 9 whole square is equal to this value is 9, this value is 81. Square root of 90. Square root of 90 I can directly write as 3 root 10 units. Okay, after that dA values, this is x1 y1 x2 y2 AD or dA. AD or dA is equal to square root of 2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 means minus 4 minus 5 whole square plus minus 7 minus of minus 4 whole square. So this is minus 9 whole square plus here minus 7 minus of minus plus 4 whole square is equal to minus 9 whole square is 81 minus 7 plus 4 minus 3 whole square is 9 square root of 90 is equal to 3 root 10. Okay, so AB is equal to CD is equal to DA. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. After that, find the distance between AC and BD. AC and BD. A points are minus 4, minus 7. C points are 8, 5. 8, 5. x1, y1, x2, y2. Square root of x2 minus 1 whole square 2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to x2 8 minus of minus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1 means 5 minus of minus 7 whole square under root is equal to 8 minus of minus 4 is 12 square plus 5 minus 5 plus 7 is 12 square. So is equal to square root of 288. Square root of 288 can be written as 2 into 144 is equal to 12 root 2. Okay, in the same way, write the B coordinates and the D coordinates. Okay, so B coordinates are minus 1, 2, minus 1, 2, 5, minus 4. Okay, BD is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. So root of x2 value is 5 minus x1 is minus 1 whole square plus y2 is minus 4 minus 2 whole square. 5 plus 1 6. 6 square is 36. Minus 4 minus 2 minus 6. Minus 6 whole square is 36. Square root of 72. Square root of 72 can be written as 2 into 36 is equal to 6 root 2 units. Therefore, D1 is not equal to D2. D1 is nothing but diagonal 1 and diagonal 2 are not equal. Therefore, it is a rhombus. Therefore, it is a rhombus. If D1 is equal to D2, what happens? It becomes a square. Okay. After that, what he is asking in the question is, suppose if they are rhombus, find its area. Area of rhombus. Area of rhombus is equal to half into D1 D2 formula. Okay. Half into 12 root 2 into 6 root 2. Okay. This is equal to 72 by 2 into root 2 into root 2 2. 2 2 cancel. 72 square units. Okay.